Your photo is cool, but what if it jumped out of the screen? Learn this viral 3D Canva trick for your business, poster, or social media. It's easier than you think. All right, open Canva and choose any image that has a laptop in the background. Now, pick your second image, the one you want to show on the laptop screen. Now, just click here to duplicate the image and then move it to one side, just like this. All right. Now, try to place one image inside the laptop screen, just like this, exactly how I'm doing it. Once it's perfectly fitted, select the second image, then click right here to remove the background. If you're not sure how to remove the background from any image for free, just check out this video. And now, place this image carefully right on top of the one that's on the laptop screen. Make sure it aligns perfectly. Your image is ready. Now it's time to add some text. What you write really depends on what you want to say. I'm just adding something here to show you how you can match the text color with your post. In this image, the girl is wearing a yellow jersey with a black zipper. So, we'll give the text a yellow color and set the border to black. Just follow along exactly how I'm doing it. Click here and go to the color picker to select it. This is the best way to get a perfect color match. Then, click on this small dot to make the color lighter or darker, just how you like it. Next, go to Effects and click on Outline. Then, click here to change the border color and adjust the thickness, however you like. And just like that, you can create a poster like this, perfect for promoting your business or brand. All right, let's create another post, similar to this one. First, choose any image that has a mobile in the background. Then, select the image you want to appear as if it's coming out of the screen. Crop and adjust the image angles. And once you're happy with the size and fit, just click here to duplicate the image. Now, select the duplicated image and click here to remove the background. Next, carefully place it on top of the image that's already half inside the mobile screen. Make sure it lines up perfectly. And now, you can use this for advertisements, business posters, or any kind of commercial promotion.